Good morning. We're at the site of the bridge that we will build at Thanksgiving. Huge shout out and thanks to Lee for coming the weekend of the 6th of November to get a head start on it. So you can see the bridge is going to come out of the lower backfield, down a steep hill, and down a bank. And you'll see that in the near ground here, there are some logs or sticks that mark the end of the bridge on what I'm going to call the woods side of the bridge. And in the center out here, you'll see two other logs that mark where the piers will be. And so we will have two about 12-foot wide piers made of heavy lumber down here near the little creek. And you can see that here's the little creek. It's quite small. In fact, it's not even flowing very well now. It's below ground right there. And then you can see it's a very small little flow. And then about 2 weeks ago, when we had 5 inches of rain in 4 hours, the creek we had some new sand washed up right here, which means the creek got about 2 feet tall, but it wouldn't be anywhere near a 5-foot tall bridge. So now we're going to cross and we're going to look at the bridge coming from the other side. And so you maybe get a feel for how steep this bank is and why a wooden bridge may be so much easier than a pipe bridge. Okay, and the bridge will start, I'll say, on this bank, and now you look across. Lots of clearing needs to be done over there, and the bridge will go across and the road will turn a little to the left to go up this hill. It's a nice easy hill there. Now I'm going to give you a tour that shows some of the materials we're using. And you'll see here are a couple of the logs that we're going to use for the piers. These are nice and sturdy and we don't have to worry about them bending or whatever. And I've started to collect some of the logs that'll be used for the bridge beams. Here's one that's about 40 feet long and another one's about 27 feet long. And this will we want about 15 beams that I say 15 that are 12 feet long. So here's 3 beams on the right and 2 beams on the left. And the air-dried cedar we're going to use for the pilings or the uprights are right here. We've got about already more than 10. Disregard the little small ones, we won't use them, but these are all been dead a long time. They're air-dried, and we'll use these for the uprights to make the piers. And I'll send you a little sketch of the piers in just a minute.